Hi, welcome to the Global Academy of Tally, free online Tally ERP9 trading classes. In the previous video, we discussed about the introduction of Tally ERP9 and scope of Tally. You can have the previous video by using link which is available in the description. Today's topics we'd like to discuss are versions of Tally, details of Tally ERP9 software, countries using Tally, and need of using Tally. Versions of Tally. So what are the different versions of Tally? The following are the different versions of Tally. The first Tally version is 3.0, which is introduced in the year 1990. It is used for basic accounting needs of small business. Tally 3.0 supports only Microsoft DOS. Next version is Tally 3.12. It is introduced in the year 1991. Tally 3.1 is similar to Tally 3.0 version with few added features. Tally 4, which is introduced in the year 1992. Tally 4 is also supports Microsoft DOS. It differs slightly from the previous versions. The next version is Tally 4.5, which is introduced in the year 1994. Tally 4.5 is a DOS-based program. In Tally 4.5, operations will be completed very quickly. The next version is Tally 5.4. It is introduced in the year 1996. Tally 5.4 is a graphic interface version which became very popular within a short period. It has accounts with inventory features. It has accounts, inventory and VAT with additional features. Next version of Tally is Tally 6.3, which is introduced in the year 2001. Tally 6.3 version supports Windows operating system. It is supporting printing and VAT. It is built with full security that made the software hard to crack. It has accounts, inventory and VAT features. The next version of Tally is 7.2. Tally 7.2, which is introduced in the year 2005. Tally 7.2 is the fastest version with additional features include with different VAT values. Tally 8.1 is a new version after Tally 7.2. Tally 8.1 version was introduced in the year 2006. Tally 8.1 has new data structure. It has module of POS, that is point of sales, and payroll additional features. It has accounts, inventory, VAT, POS and payroll features. Tally 9 software, which is introduced in the year 2009. Tally 9 is a new version with 9 added new features. The new features of Tally 9 are excise, payroll, ETDS filing, FBT, TDS and other accounting features, VAT and inventory management. Tally ERP9. Tally ERP9 version is introduced in the year 2009. Tally ERP9 is the latest version of Tally. It has advanced features include GST calculations, invoice and payroll procedures, remote access, multi-user login and transaction procedures. Nowadays, majority of business community like to have a complete business solution software, which is nothing but Tally ERP 9. The next version the many Tally users are waiting for is Tally 18. Many Tally users are waiting for its recent updated version of Tally is Tally 18. Several features of Tally ERP 9 have been updated and tuned as per user convenience. Let us know the details of Tally ERP 9 software. How many types of Tally ERP 9 software? There are two types of Tally ERP 9 software. One, single user Tally software. It is known as Silver. The second one is multi-user Tally software. It is known as Gold. Next, what is single user Tally software or Silver software? Who can use single user Tally software? That is Silver. One can use Tally Silver at a single system. Silver Tally software can be used by small companies who wish to operate in a single place. Startup company can use Silver software accounting package. Coming to the multi-user Tally software, multi-user Tally software is known as Gold. Who can use multi-user Tally software, that is Gold? Gold Tally software is used by large companies. It is used for operations in multiple places. Let us know about the countries where Tally is being used. The following countries are using Tally throughout the world: Algeria, Austria, Bahrain, Bangladesh, Botswana, Comoros, Djibouti, Egypt, Ghana, India, Indonesia, Iraq, Jordan, Kenya, Kuwait, Lebanon, Libya, Malaysia, Mauritius, Morocco, Mozambique, Nepal, Nigeria, Oman, Pakistan, Philippines, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Singapore, Somalia, Sri Lanka, Sudan, Syria, Tanzania, Tunisia, United Arab Emirates, United Kingdom, Yemen, Zambia, Zimbabwe. Why should we use Tally accounting software? To overcome the difficulties of manual accounting system, Tally, the computerized accounting system, is used. What are the difficulties while writing accounts manually? So, the following difficulties are experienced while writing manual accounts. Manual accounting involves three major functions of accounting. Number one, recording. Number two, classifying. Number three, summarizing. In a manual accounting, it is difficult to modify, add and delete the transactions recorded. Totaling is very difficult in manual accounts. Every year the closing balances of every account have to be carried forwarded in manual accounts. Now let us know the advantages of using Tally accounting software, which is computerized. What are the advantages of Tally accounting software? Let us know. In Tally accounting software, only one function of recording of transactions take place. It is easy to add, modify or delete transactions in Tally. In Tally, totaling is not at all required. No necessary to carry forward the accounts balances. Financial reports such as profit and loss account, balance sheet, etc. are generated automatically in Tally accounting software. In the next video, I would like to share with you basic accounting for Tally beginners. Please subscribe my channel for the upcoming Tally videos. Please like and share this video for updating your knowledge. Thank you.